Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot bank connection issues with Digit. If Digit is having trouble connecting to your bank account, it can disrupt your automated savings and limit your ability to monitor your finances efficiently. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you resolve common bank connection problems. Step 1. Confirm your internet connection. Make sure that your device has a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity can cause synchronization issues between Digit and your bank. Step 2. Verify your bank login credentials. You want to double check your username and password for your bank account. If you recently changed your bank password, you will need to update it in Digit to restore the connection. Step 3. Reauthorize your bank account in Digit. Sometimes the authorization token expires or becomes invalid. To fix this, you gotta open the Digit app and go to Settings or Linked Accounts. Find your bank account and select Reauthorize or Reconnect. Follow the prompts to log into your bank and grant Digit permission again. Step 4. Check for bank website or app issues. Your bank may be experiencing outage or maintenance that prevents third-party apps like Digit from connecting. Visit your bank's website or contact their customer support to confirm if there's a known issue. Step 5. Clear cache and update the Digit app. Outdated versions or cache data can cause connection problems, so you want to try closing or opening the Digit app. Clear the app cache from your app's device settings and update the Digit app to the latest version via your device's app store. Step 6. Disable two-factor authentication temporarily. Some banks' two-factor authentication setup may interfere with Digit's connection. So if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you want to try to temporarily disable it and reconnect your account and then re-enable two-factor authentication once the connection is restored. Step 7. Remove or re-add your bank accounts. If issues persist, you want to remove the problematic bank account from Digit completely and then add it back. In the app, go to Linked Accounts, select your bank and choose Remove Accounts. So after removal, you are going to select Add Accounts and enter your bank credentials again. Step 8. Contact Digit's customer support. If you've tried all the above steps and still can't connect, then you want to reach out to Digit's customer support team for personalized help. Provide them with details about your bank, error messages, and what troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can quickly resolve most bank connection issues and ensure that Digit continues to help you to save effortlessly. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.